Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to this podcast, to my podcast ya. Today episode I want to take a deeper look at one of the biggest upcoming event in world football is the FIFA World Cup 2026. Okay. And the podcast is World Cup 2026, a new era of global football. Okay. This tournament is not just another edition of the World Cup. It represents a major shift in how global football is organized, experienced, and imagined. So, the 2026 World Cup will be the first in history to be hosted by three countries at once: the United States, Canada, and Mexico. The United States will host the majority of matches, while Canada and Mexico will each host selected group stage games. Cities such as New York, Los Angeles, Dallas, Toronto, and Mexico City are expected to become global football hubs during the tournament. From an infrastructure perspective, the host nations are well prepared. However, one of the main challenges will be the vast travel distance between venues, which could affect player recovery and overall performance. So, one of the most significant changes for the 2026 World Cup is the expansion to 48 participating teams, up from 32. The tournament will feature 12 groups of 4 teams. The top 2 teams from each group, along with the 8 best third place team, will advance to the round of 32. On one hand, this format allows greater global representation, especially for teams from Asia, Africa, and smaller footballing nations. On the other hand, critics worry that the group stage might include matches with new uneven level of competition, with Asia receiving 8.5 qualification spot. The region has a stronger presence than ever before. For countries like Indonesia, the 2026 World Cup is often seen as long-term but increasingly realistic target, provided that youth development, domestic leagues, and national team management continue to improve. The expanded format sends a clear message: World Cup is becoming more inclusive. Despite the excitement, the 2026 World Cup has also raised concerns among players and coaches. The modern football calendar is already extremely demanding with domestic leagues, continental competition, and international tournaments. Adding more matches at the World Cup level increases the risk of fatigue and injuries. Several player unions have publicly questioned whether FIFA is doing enough to protect player health while expanding the tournament to commercial reasons. The 2026 World Cup is expected to showcase further technological advancement. This might include extended VAR system, more accurate semi-automatic offset technology, and advanced data analytics to support refereeing decisions. The goal is fairness and transparency. However, the growing role of technology continues to spark debate about whether it enhances or diminishes the emotional essence of the game. Beyond football, the 2026 World Cup symbolizes the globalization of the sport. It will bring together new stories, new nations, and new heroes, will also marking potential final. A precedent for some legendary players, this tournament is not only winning trophies, but about how football evolves in a changing world. The 2026 World Cup will be about more than just crowning a champion. It will be about transformation, adaptation, and the future direction of global football. As always in football, surprises are inevitable, and that is exactly what makes the World Cup so special. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In Canada,